Hi, my name is Monica Lopez. I'm 25 years old. I'm registered in the SEAD of Socha in third semester of Bachelor in English. I live with my son. My phone number is 310 814 1704. I like to listen to music, especially rock music. I think it's a good way to learn pronunciation and vocabulary. And I like to go out to the forest with my son to walk because I like to show him that television and video games are funny, but they are not the best things in the world. I hate eating onions, and I hate to listen to my son singing reggaeton songs because I think that music is violent with women, and I don't want to my son grew up with that kind of ideas. About the course of material design for face-to-face environments, I can say that I like the second chapter from the first unit. The chapter is the role and design of instructional materials because it must talk about the importance of instructional materials in the teaching learning process and how do they help to teach and learn. From the second unit, I think the most interesting chapter must be the second one about considerations for developing materials related to specific language abilities, because it shows how to choose the materials according to the language skills that we want to improve and how and when to use the different kind of materials. And the course has two transfers activities corresponding to the collaborative works. Okay, that's all. Thank you.